What's up, everybody? This is Carolina Mike, your host for SharePoint in 60 Seconds, where you get the information you need in the first few minutes, and if you want more, stick around for a step-by-step run-through. Today, we're going to show you how to decrease the amount of time it takes to get files in a group in a SharePoint document library by 56%. Stick around.
I'm a SharePoint expert, play with data extra, careful with my hands cause I gotta use them forward.
Okay, you know how we do it. We give you a 60-second rundown, and then we take you step by step. Let's get the timer rolling. First thing you're going to do is you're going to just take that file and you're going to drag it over top of the category where you want it to go. And this will prevent it from going into unassigned. So boom, there you go. Give it a few seconds and it's going to be categorized properly. There you go. I want to give a great big shout out to everyone watching, all of you who've watched in the past. Hit the like and hit the subscribe. If you haven't, now's your chance. And hit the bell notification so you can know as soon as new content is available. So let's do it the non-intuitive way, or the slow way here. So we're going to delete this file. And basically what we're dealing with is we got a grouped view here, okay? Now watch what happens when I do it the slow way, where I don't drag it on top of a category. Watch what happens here. Oh, if we can get the files to show up. Okay, that was weird. Well, we just take it and we drag it, but we don't let it go into one of the categories. See it turns green or whatever color that is, or it turns the color there to let you know you're putting it in the medium group or in the large group or no group. So let's watch what happens here. Okay, so we drag it in. We have to jump through all these hoops now. So it's going to go to unassigned, and now you've got to give it something so that it can be grouped. You got to give it at least a color. So we go over here, might as well do the size while we're at it, right? And then we can do the color, and then boom, then it is. But that took forever versus just dragging it right into the proper category. So there you go. Hopefully this has been helpful. Do your very best you can with what you got. SharePoint rocks, and so do you. We'll see you next time.
I'm a SharePoint expert, play with data extra, careful with my hands cause I gotta use them forward. Yeah, I'm a big old nerd, I like maple syrup on my pancakes, I don't care what you heard.